Hello, today we're going to do an oil change on a 2003 Ford F150. First, we're going to reach under the driver's side console. You'll see the hood latch. Going to open it up, pop the hood. Right here is the hood latch. Push it to the left, lift it up. There's the hood latch. I'll be doing an oil change on a 4.6 liter. All right, we're gonna go into the front of the truck. If you look back there, you can see the oil filter. Got an oil filter wrench. Just slide up on the oil filter. Just slide your oil filter wrench up on the oil filter. And just pull it down. It's a band that wraps around the oil filter. And that'll loosen it up. And just take the oil filter loose, let it drain out. Use the drain pan. Unscrew the oil filter all the way off. Let the rest of the oil drain out of the oil filter. Once you got the oil filter completely drained out, just pull it straight out. You can come out this area right here. So the oil filter I'm using is the Ford Motorcraft FL-820S. So what I do is I fill up the oil filter just a little bit. So you put some oil in the gasket to make sure it'll come off easy next time. And I fill up the oil filter a little bit with oil so it's not running dry through the filter when you start the motor. Let's put the filter back on. Just righty-tighty, screw the filter back on until it meets the surface, and then it's a quarter turn. And then a quarter turn will get it snug. Now we got the oil filter on, let's go drain the oil pan. So you come over the passenger side wheel, you'll see the oil pan. There's the drain plug. It's a 13mm wrench. Broke it free. Unscrew the drain bolt. Try to hold it firmly so you don't get as dirty, but I'm wearing gloves so it's okay. And then just quickly pull it out of the way and drain out all the oil. Alright, once it's done draining, screw the drain plug back in. It's righty-tighty. $13mm. Now we're good and tight. Remember to take your oil to recycling center. Now we're back on top looking down at the motor. Go on the left side looking in. You'll find the oil cap. It says 5W20. Open it up. Get your funnel. I'm using 5W20 Motorcraft oil. Start filling it up. This is a 5-quart container. This motor takes 6 quarts. So we'll have one more to add after this. There's 5 quarts. Here's a final quart. Makes 6 quarts. Now we're going to start the motor and check for leaks. Well, the owner's manual for this 4.6 liter says to change your oil every 5,000 miles. If you change the oil on a regular basis, do this easy maintenance, you too could get high mileage out of your 4.6 liter. Right now I have 285,000 miles on this motor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button if this video helped you out.